Hello friends, good morning to all of you and respected my teacher Pankaj sir. My coaching name is Pankaj Classes. My name is Nishu Kumari. My father's name is Santosh Prasad. I did in class 10th. मैं इससे पहले एक शायरी बोलना चाहूँगी। देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश की मान है। हम उस देश के फूल है यारो, हम उस देश के फूल है यारो, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important. On this day for of us, because on this in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others devoted in this entire life for the independence of our country. And speech is COVID-19. Coronavirus, which is commonly called is COVID-19 as infection disease, is a new virus and its spread rate is very fast. COVID-19 was first identified December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. But now this virus, the almost all countries, the most common symptoms of coronavirus are fever, cough and shortness of breath. It is to learn from and a time to reflect and think forward from. He will be strong, be well, be safe, be positive and as always take care of yourself and each other. Thank you very much.